In this video, we are going to create the side plate of the throttle body. The side plate plays a crucial role in enclosing and supporting the internal components of the throttle body, ensuring stability and proper alignment. The drawing files have been attached for reference. You can check for dimension. You can download drawing file from the project's download link. Now let's start designing. Invoke new design file. Set your dimensions to mm. Invoke create sketch. Select right plane. From create, in slot, take center point slot, and from origin, draw a slot. Then we will give dimension. Length is 48. Radius 37. Okay. Invoke circle tool. And to the both ends of the line, draw circles of diameter 42. Okay. Take extrude feature. Select this profile and extrude it to 7 mm. Okay. Now we have to select this face as sketching plane. Take circle tool, change to construction line. And from the center of the circle, draw a circle of diameter 59. Okay. Then take line tool and draw a center line. Now take concentric circle and give relation between these two circles. Now from create, take point. Here one point, here, and horizontally to the origin one point, another point, and here last point. Okay, now we can give constraints. Take horizontal constraint from center to the bottom point, vertical constraint. Then from center to this point, horizontal, and between these 2 points, vertical constraint. Okay, now we can give dimension. Take dimension from the center of this point to this. Distance is 28. Okay. Now from the top point to the origin, here distance is 30. Bottom point to the origin, here also distance is 30. Now we can mirror these points. Invoke mirror feature. Select these 3 points. In mirror line, select the center line. Okay. Now the points have mirrored. Now we can give hall feature. Invoke hall feature. In dialog box, extend, select all, and hole type is countersink. Okay. Now select this point, and rest we can make changes here. Diameter is 5. Okay. And this diameter it is 4.2. Okay. Now bring it to right plane and select all points. This point here. Okay. And the last one. Okay. Now we have given hole to all this point, and this was the last feature. By this we have completed creating the side plate, and here is the final design.